In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell out of stock items on Shopify. If you've ever had a product sell faster than expected, you don't have to miss out on momentum while you restock. Shopify has a built-in setting that lets customers keep buying even when your inventory counter hits zero. This is perfect for back orders, pre-orders, or when you have a reliable restock on the way. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, open products and choose the product you want to work with. If the item has multiple variants, make sure you're viewing the exact variant that needs this setting so your changes apply to the right option. On the product page, scroll down until you reach the inventory section. This is where Shopify tracks your available quantity and how it adjusts as orders come in. You'll also find the control that determines whether a product is allowed to keep selling when it's technically out of stock. Check the option labeled Continue Selling when out of stock. This tells Shopify to keep the add to cart and checkout flow available, even if your tracked quantity hits zero or goes negative. It doesn't fabricate stock or change your physical inventory. It simply allows orders to be accepted while you replenish. After enabling that option, click Save. Don't skip this step. Your changes won't take effect unless you save, and the product will still stop selling at zero if the setting isn't stored. From this point on, your product will remain available for purchase even when inventory reaches zero. Orders will still be created normally, and fulfillment can proceed as soon as you receive new stock. Depending on your theme and store language, customers may see messaging like backorder or a note about delayed shipping, but that presentation varies across themes. A few practical considerations can help you use this feature smoothly because you're allowing purchases without on hand stock. Make sure your expected restock timelines are realistic so you can manage delivery expectations. Keep your team aligned on how back orders are handled and monitor your supplier lead times so you're ready to fulfill as soon as items arrive. It's also helpful to review analytics around demand spikes, since this setting can reveal how much interest you're capturing during a stock out. That's all there is to it. With a quick change in the inventory section and a save, you can keep momentum going and continue taking orders even during a sellout. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.